So this is chapter 5, 6.1, 6.2 test. Okay. So what's going to be on this test? Not as much as what was on the last test. So let me give you, I want to give you problems from the textbook to kind of go through on your own, where you have the answer key. Okay, here we go. All right. First thing, you're going to have to do one Riemann sum. I will give you the end. You're not doing it. You're not going to do that whole crazy one where we took it to infinity. Don't worry about that. All right. You're going to do a Riemann sum given n. It'll be a nice small n, 3, 4. I'm not going to give you a lot of n's. Like even the lab. I think the lab, how many do you have to do? 6. Not even going to be that long. I don't want you at this forever. Given n and given the interval a to b. So I'll give you all that. I will also give you the type of Riemann sum I want you to do. It will either be a left hand, a right hand, or a midpoint. I will give you all that information. You must use what I give you and do that single Riemann sum. Okay? Yes. And given the graph. So honestly, the best way to practice this is from the lab. I wouldn't even, I mean, in the book, if you want to know if you want one exactly like I'm going to give you on the test, just look at that lab. It was problems, review, activity 2 from lab 10. Okay, that's the first problem. What? No, there's more than 4. I will have you do 1. I'm trying to grab problems from the review, but you all know how to, okay, it's the end of the course. If you don't know how to pull up your textbook, I'm sorry. You should know how to pull up your textbook and go to a specific page if I give you that page and find a problem on it, right? The student solution manual I did post for you in Canvas under course information. All right. So the next thing I'm going to say is, I just got to find the section it's on. Find F bar. Okay. Remember, F bar is basically the integral, right, from A to B with what in front of it. Okay, you gotta know that. You gotta know the average value of a function. Your We did the elevation problem so that you have those notes. You have that recording. Let's say examples to look at are on page 385. I'm only going to give you odd numbers because you got those fully worked out. 25, 27, 29. So look at those three problems from page 385, answers and worked out, fully worked out in the student solution manual. I will give you a problem 25, 27, 29. So I'm going to give you a problem to make sure you fully understand the net versus total area. Keeping in mind, net area is what you get when you integrate. Okay? Net is the answer when you integrate. When you integrate. That's what that is, integration sign. I don't feel like writing the word integrate. Okay? Because net means you utilize the negative and positive areas. Okay? For total area, remember, total areas, you need to take what? Absolute value of any negative area. Okay? Something like, I would say number 13 on page 378. Kind of gives you an idea. Look at our notes from, I think that was the first day we did this. So this is kind of where I give you the function, I don't know, some crazy function, you know, something like that. And I say, you know, I'll give you values, -1. I'm so making this up. I know this makes zero sense at all. Okay? And so, and I'll give you the area, like area A equals 10. All right, and I'll give you all the areas. And then I might ask a question like, hey, what's the total area of this problem? What's the net area of this problem? So understand the difference between net and total. Now I'm giving you the areas each little piece. So I might total area from -1 to 4. Or net area from -1 to 4. Nope, you just have to understand the difference between net and total. I said I wasn't making this test hard. I know. I know. It took me a second, I'm like, oh no, she's giving us the actual answer for the problem. Yeah. The bulk of the test? Huh? The bulk of the test is integrate. I don't know, 10 to 12 integrals. I'm just going to give you the integrals. So what I would do to practice that, going to the review. So now I'm on page 3, page 400. Just 10 to 12 integration problems. No. I don't know. I'll look at the whole. I take last semester's test. I change all the problems because I know everybody loves to put test on Chegg and stuff like that. So I have to. Yes. Chegg has caused professors to do way more work. By the way, thank you all very much. I'm serious. Do you know you go on there and all our tests are on there? We have to make up new we used to in the old days, man. You could make up a test and use it for 10 years. Anyway. So, students pay for it.
Yeah, it has every single test.
No.
How do you actually test? I want to do that.
Yeah.
That's a good business right there.
So look what I put. I said, go to page 400. 39 to 85 odd. You don't have to do them all. But what 39 to 85 on page 400 looks like, I can't show it to you because I don't have to log in. I don't know what I can log into right now because I don't have my phone for my MFA. Is literally, I'll show it to you. But here's what's nice about it. If you take a look, you've got a mix of definite, indefinite. One you got to use sub, one you don't use sub. There's some even odd stuff in here. It's all mixed together. You should open this page up. Only look at the odd. You know what happens when you get caught up on an even? You get caught up on an even, you don't know the answer, you don't know what you're doing wrong. You email me, I'm in Chicago having fun all weekend. I'm not answering you. Sorry. I will answer you Monday. I promise. I would answer. Anyway, you're going to get 10 to 12 problems. You're just going to integrate. You have to look at the problem. This is where the good practice comes in. You're going to say, okay, do I use sub on this one? Don't I use sub on this one? Oh, is this basic integration? Is this an LN? Is it EText? 400. I have it there. Page 400 in our textbook. Nope. There will be problems. You will have to use sub. I can guarantee you can't integrate it without sub. Nope. Goes through the whole problem. And if I went on Canvas right now, I can go on Canvas. And I am pretty certain. Hold on. Boom. No. Boom. Boom. I think I can get on my Canvas because I shouldn't need multi-factor authentication for that. Yay! All right, good. So there's our calc class. Come on, open up. So what page did I say that was? Whoa. Well, I'm never going to get to the actual page. Yeah, 2.3. So this is, I can even tell you, if we pull it up, I can tell you what page it's on here. Oh, do I only have limits? Okay, this is good. I need to go through here because apparently when I put it up there, it's only limits. Yeah, you know why? I probably wasn't able to get the whole thing. But you go in here, let's do it. Go in My Lab Mastering. I'll try to download it real quick and get it over there because I can get into My Lab Mastering. Boom. Just to refresh everybody. We're going to find the textbook and we're going to get your student solution manual. All right? It's loading. We're good. Nah, it's all here. Okay. So here we are. Video and resource library. Do you see video and resource library? Student solution manual. Oh, that's why, because I was giving it to you. Nobody said anything to me. You must not go through this much. So, that was wrong. Wait a minute. So I want chapter 5. And it's going to be at the end because I took it from the review. So if you go all the way to the end of chapter 5, there should be the review exercises. Hold on. Yep, chapter 5 review. What numbers did I say it was?
Oh, my bad. 39 to 55.
This is what you get. So there's number 39. You only have to go to the book. You just open this up. So how do we study? We don't just, this is how my son studies. He's in Catholic. Yeah, I got it. I'm good. He doesn't got it. He's not good. He's like 79 average right now. Not good. Anyway, fine. There it is. It takes you through each step. Okay? Everything's there. Yeah. So that's why I said if you go through that group of problems, that will help prep you practice for the test. And everything's written out. Everything's solved. So here's like 67. Oh, there's a definite integral with a sign and everything. What it's not going to do necessarily is, it does let you, see it even gives you your U substitutions. All right. But you should be able to get to the textbook as well. Where does it say EText? EText contents, chapter 5. I just go to the end. And then this text is, I'm not, there we go. There is a way, I always forget it when I'm here. There's a way that it says you want your textbook to look like, hold on. There's a way for the textbook, has anybody done this? The textbook, so to mimic your actual textbook. So it'll come up here with page numbers. Like I said, I know it, and then I get up in front of the classroom and I forget where it is. Yeah. Hold on. EText contents, manage view. No, I don't think that's it. Yeah, where do you see that? Where do you see it? I'm not seeing that. Oh, there it is. So if you go to, apparently you have to go to manage, where did we get that again? Watch. Oh, go to EText contents, EText that mirrors your textbook. There we go. I knew it was somewhere. Then you should be able to plug in a page number. I'm pretty certain there's a place you can plug in a page number. I know we did that. We did this way back when we were doing limits. There it is. That's what we wanted. So hit EText and then mirror your textbook. Then it could just come down here. Yeah. So I want page 400. This should work, right? There it is. Yeah. So there's all the problems. And then the solution manual will have those answers so you can go through. That's. So here, the what? This one? Oh, that's looking at 3 functions. Which one is the original function? which one's the F prime, which one's the double F prime. That's kind of yeah. There's a lot of stuff we don't do. We don't spend time going over. All right. So everything's there. Again, just hit EText, and before you go anywhere else, pick the one that mirrors your textbook, and you plug in those page numbers. All right. Student Solution Manual, everybody, is under Resource Library. And there's a Student Solution Manual. Okay. So you have everything. Now I'm going to pop off here for a second because I'm going to look at my test, which I can't do. And you wouldn't look right there. Riemann sums. Huh?